Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week. AWS made some very cool announcements this week, including AWS Support launches case management on Slack, connect with RDS with one click, and new origin access control has been added to Amazon CloudFront. This is David Blocker bringing you AWS This Week. AWS Support is one of the most crucial and, in my personal opinion, one of the most undervalued services on all of AWS. Having experts on hand to help you untangle some of your most vexing technical challenges can save you tons of time and money. One of the most difficult aspects of working with AWS Support is having to use the clunky and sometimes unintuitive user interface in the AWS console to handle support case management. This week, AWS announced the AWS Support app for Slack, empowering teams to communicate with support agents and each other without having to switch back and forth between Slack and the AWS console. This feature is available for all business and enterprise support plans at no extra cost. I'm definitely excited about AWS making support more accessible. AWS also announced a new feature for connecting RDS databases to your EC2 instances. You can now connect your RDS database to an EC2 instance in a single click upon creation, making it easier than ever to follow best practices when connecting an EC2 hosted application to an RDS data source. In the past, users have needed at least intermediate knowledge of IAM permissions and roles to securely connect their data sources. Now, it's much easier for a novice developer to hop into the console and create simple applications that are securely interconnected. Amazon CloudFront is the AWS Content Delivery Network service used for delivering static content to users around the globe. This week, AWS launched Origin Access Control for CloudFront, which is the new best practice for permitting only designated CloudFront distributions to access specific S3 buckets. With Origin Access Control for CloudFront, users can granularly control S3 access from their CloudFront distributions using resource-based policies. And this feature also allows customers to use SSE KMS encryption with their S3 origins, which was not previously possible. This feature not only makes origin control easier and more secure, it also lays the groundwork for future features around CloudFront distribution. That's all for this week. Until next time, keep being awesome, take care of each other, and I look forward to seeing you soon.